Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mo Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Have a wonderful young lady whose oil is burning, by which she did not know where the oil is going. I don't know if you can see that, but this vehicle, I turn it off in about 3 minutes, and it is a lot of oil pouring out of it. Anytime you have an American vehicle that has over 100,000 miles, please, every time you put gas in your car, check your oil. If you do not, you're going to lock your engine up. Already half of her oil has already been burned. With that being said, I always check people's oil because a lot of people don't understand things happen for a reason. If I didn't come here for that repair, they would have never known this was smoking and burning oil. It does that due to the fact that the piston rings or the valve seals all wore out. With that being said, one day the car is going to lock up and be a piece of metal just sitting there, a metal paperweight. So as you can see, this is smoking. It is normal to smoke some, but this is a lot, like somebody smoking a cigar. With that being said, you must, if you cannot afford to get another vehicle and you want to ride till the wheels fall off, check your oil every single time that you decide to drive the vehicle. A $7 quart of oil versus a $7,000 engine. You take your pick. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for all your donations. We help people who cannot help themselves, especially those on fixed income. So we take your donations. Thank you.